Hello, today we will guide you through how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll use Slack's built-in options to generate a clear summary of a channel's conversation over a specific time period. This is perfect when you're catching up after time away, preparing notes for a handoff, or aligning a team on what's happened so far. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Slack and that your workspace has the AI summarization feature available. If you don't see the options shown here, your admin may need to enable them. Begin by opening Slack and navigating to the channel you want to summarize. From the home view, look to your sidebar and locate the relevant channel. If you have many channels, use the search bar to find it quickly. Click the channel to open it and let the most recent messages load so Slack recognizes the conversation context. Next, move your attention to the top right of the channel header. Click the three dots icon to open the More Actions menu. This menu includes options specifically related to the channel you're viewing. In this menu, hover your mouse over the Summarize Channel option. Hovering reveals additional choices for how you want the summary to be created. Choose Custom Date Range. This is helpful when you need a summary tailored to a meeting window, a sprint, or a project phase. A date picker will appear. Select your start date and end date carefully, aiming to capture the core of the discussion without pulling in unrelated chatter. If a topic started late in the day, consider including the following day to catch follow-ups. Keeping the range focused improves the relevance and readability of the summary. After selecting your dates, confirm your choice, then click Summarize. Slack will process the messages from that channel within the dates you chose and compile the key points. This can take a moment, especially for busy channels or longer ranges. When the summary appears, review it for accuracy and completeness. You'll typically see highlights such as decisions made, action items, blockers, and next steps, all distilled from the conversation history. If the summary feels too broad or misses a detail you needed, repeat the process with a narrower window or adjust the dates to include the exact start and end of the discussion. Remember, the AI can only summarize messages you have permission to view, and it reflects the content as it was written. For best results, keep threads organized and use clear language in your channel conversations. That's it. Your conversation is now summarized with AI in Slack, helping you and your team stay aligned with less effort.